Hello and welcome. I'm at Knaus Live Ti. I'm going to show you this motorhome in front of me. It's on a pedestal, which gives us to assume that it might be relatively good being on the pedestal. Let's have a look at it inside. So this is the Live Ti 650 meg, 86,000 euros, and if this is working, we'll see some financial technical stuff about it. Yeah, it seems to be doing okay. 695 long, 232 wide, inner width 218, 208 outer height, standing height 2000. Okay, ready to go. That would leave 484 kilos ready to go. Now Knaus currently does have problems with the authorities relating to giving false weights on its vehicles, and if you give a false weight, somebody thinks that it's under 3.5 tons and it isn't, well, try going to Austria and there's a very good chance of being reminded of that. Right, so we've got this German style layout at the back. I like the entrance to the bed, this round shape, lots of space here. What I don't like is that is completely pointless, utterly ridiculous, particularly at this type of level. A shelf like that, okay, things that go up there will fall down on the bed, but what if they fall down then? You've got two glass things fall down on top of each other and you've got glass in the bed and you've got endless hours of fun collecting it up. What is this here, this ledge? Now lots of people put ledges in. Once more, I think that it's better off used for storage. Having said that, if you put a pillow in front of it, you probably aren't going to actually notice that it's there. People have said to me, so what do you do if you want to sit up in bed? Well, this is a compromise, because between having storage, which you really, that's not a bad size storage, nothing wrong with that. So what I always suggested people to do, well, if that daft ledge wasn't there, you could possibly, well, no, I'm exaggerating now, but you can, if you want to sit up like that, you know, just sit up there, and then when you want to go to sleep, just turn around. I know there isn't a light at that end, and the fact that what I'm suggesting is highly irregular, so I don't blame Knaus not putting one in there. Now you can make this bed bigger. There's the bit that makes it bigger. There's going to be a plate somewhere that goes in there. Well, you get the impression. If the plate were there, that's not the fault of Knaus. That's what gives you an idea of the size. Sorry, I can't do this with two. I can't do it with one hand. But if the plate were there, it wouldn't be so bad. Let's have a look under here. Now, notice this. This comes up like that. The mattress has a divider, so to speak, inside. So that's now divided. Put that up there like that. Obviously it's a bit more difficult when you've got the bedclothes on, but all the same, it's not too bad. And there you've got this nice large wardrobe, or largish. Fortunate that it has to be here for technical reasons, but at least, you know, it's making an effort to give you some hanging space in there. Could do with a light. Again, I hadn't thought of putting a light in there, and I'll demonstrate by coming in this angle from here. Yeah, you see, very nice large, but it could do with a light, so you're going to have to open that like that in the same way. Here we've got the washroom, comes with a bit of carpet down there. Well, yeah, they have to protect the floor. Two drainage points down there. Unfortunately, that's good, very good. Anti-slip surface, that's good. What's not so good is that the size of the drainage points. I think there should be domestic sized ones, not these daft tiny ones. Coming up here, I do like the lighting, looks nice. We've got the shower on this side of the false wall. Shower comes out by pulling this out like that, and then you put it up there. This is the false wall. This comes open like that. That slides across, and that gives you your shower unit, but you don't have to do it like that if you don't want to. I usually don't want to. Oh dear, what's up there? Did I go back there? It's alright. Being a Knaus fan, I keep thinking I've got to be ultra careful not to break anything. You've got places there to keep your your shampoos and things. I mean, I don't like, as I've said many times, I don't like things that aren't being held in properly, but I think there's sufficient space there for hold creams and shampoos and soaps and things of that nature, so that they won't fall out. And there's a bit more space inside for those very same products. It also comes with a clever piece of technical kit up here, a thing to dry your socks on. Good one, I use that all the time. On this side, as soon as you come out the shower, you've got access to this really good fridge, sink and 3 burners in the kitchen. And down here we've got these drawers with a soft close function, and nice big storage area up here as well. And you can put things in here as well, shelves. Be a good idea to put shelves in, if not, because if not, as soon as you open this, when you start moving, everything's going to fall out. Indeed, in my vehicle, even though I do have shelves, I open it very carefully, and I've got my hand down here, the second hand down here, to stop stuff falling out. Right, now, another thing I do not like at all is steps in a vehicle. At this price level, I would have expected a flat floor, and I'm not getting one. And mind you, they've got vehicles costing 20,000 euros more without a flat floor. Not good, in my opinion. Right, what is good is this nice big table, of course, if you want a big table. Some people don't, so they won't be so pleased with it, but I think that's good. And note, it's got the L-shaped bit down there as well. Seat belts on that side, so the L shape. If you're in motion, you'll want somewhere to put legally you have to have somewhere to put your feet on the floor, so that bit will come out. Kitchen, note, it's got an extension down there. It's got this lovely big window up here, and a skylight, a big skylight, or medium size skylight, let's say, there. And then at the back we've got a standard one as well. There you go, storage there, cubby hole here. Now this is daft really, because I'm not particularly on this side. I was driving, it wasn't this model, but I was driving somewhere and something actually fell on my head when I was driving. A situation like this. Of course, that was my fault for putting it in there in the first place, wasn't it? So let's not blame the manufacturer. The manufacturer wasn't driving, and I should have known. There's your television. They've all got poor energy. It's not just this one. I have not seen a energy. I don't think I've seen one any better than that at all, actually. 21 kilowatt hours per 1,000 hours use. Okay, well, I mean, that's why you need to get these Life 4 batteries inside. Good. I think I've said just about everything in here. So here there's a racket outside, and what I'm now going to do is I'll show you this. This is the gas cupboard. There's the gas cupboard. There is the garage. Excellent garage, really good, lots of storage in there, nice, really very, very pleasant. And here's a racket down there. Hope that's their music, not somebody else's. Door on this side, and okay. Right, okay, as always, I've got to say this. I don't recommend buying from Knaus Live Ti. I've said you some reasons before, but they are currently having major problems with the authorities, not just over the weight thing, which I said earlier, but there's financial irregularities, which the company claims that it is a victim. Well, of course it isn't. It was its management that did these things. So, anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.